Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making pan-fried potatoes. So first of all, we need like 500 gram of potatoes. Wash them and slice as shown in the video. So heat cooking oil in a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter and fry your potatoes. Next, crush 3 cloves of garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of softened butter, salt, black pepper, turmeric, a little bit of chili powder and mix. Add garlic mixture into the potato slices and fry the potatoes till they are golden brown or well done. Next, garnish the potatoes with fresh parsley. Thank you so much guys for watching. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share.